Good morning, guys. So it rained in Gurgaon today. This morning it's raining right now. As you can see, I'm driving and I'm recording this video. I shouldn't be, but I just wanted to show you what happens in Gurgaon when it rains. They're like, this route to McDonald's takes me usually this water logging here on the road. Takes me like 10 minutes. Right now I'm already about 20 minutes plus, and I've still not reached. So this is what happens when it rains in Gurgaon, you know, everything gets clogged. Everything gets clogged. As you guys can clearly see, it's raining in Gurgaon, right? And there's traffic all over and it's being congested. Because Gurgaon, you know, is not a city. Gurgaon is like a 5-year-old girl. Okay, when it rains, she gets very angry. And he starts crying. Mummy, mummy. पानी उछाल गया यारो। तुमने वो श्लोक सुना है? ओम तुन्ना तुन्ना तत्ता तुन्ना आसना को धरती पे लाने वाला चाहिए। Good morning, guys. I should have slept long this morning, but I didn't. Somehow my sleep cracked. Whatever. I don't know why. It shouldn't have cracked. I mean, I know why. It's because of my neck. Because my neck pains and it bothers me and I can't lift it. It feels like it's 100 kilos. And I get up and it's been happening for the last few days. My neck's not been well. See, so just like any point, I move my neck or I move, I experience a very sharp tingling sensation in my neck. It just happened, right? So it's been bothering me. So I'm not being able to sleep properly. But I need to rest today. Kind of do whatever I understand about it and try to fix the neck. I do have a boxing and a swimming session booked in the evening. 2 swimming sessions booked in the evening. About 70 minutes I do. So I hope I can fix the neck. Plus I have a lot of work to do. A lot of shit I need to work on. I need to monetize. So I need to work on that. I had breakfast at McDonald's. I drove to McDonald's in the morning because I had the craving for the McDonald's breakfast this morning, so I went there. It was raining, so it took me. It's generally a 10-minute ride. It took me about 20 minutes each side. So that was a pain. But I also had chai at Sector 56. This guy Lakshman Tea Stall. He makes such good chai. Such good chai. I don't get in chayos. I can't make it. My mom doesn't make it. Nobody makes that good a chai. That guy makes really good chai. So I generally stop by whenever I'm crossing the market to have chai at Lakshman Tea Stall. So I'll take a shower. I've called Mamta a little late because I went for breakfast, right? So she'll come anytime now. Then I'll start working, whatever I'll do. I plan to visit Jantar Mantar soon again. Okay, I don't know when, but I'll go very soon because I need to be there, right? I need to be there with those protesters. They're doing the right thing, right? They're fighting the right fight, so I have to go again. So cool. I'll catch you guys later. I mean, I need to streamline and sort out my day right now because I'm not sure. I mean, I have a broad idea, but I need to schedule everything I want to do properly, right? So I'll catch you guys. Hey guys, this is evening about 9:40 and I'm about to go on stage. The day since morning was like I was very physically lazy today because of the last 2 days. One day I went to Rohini and traveled like 4 hours almost total, plus the workshop, plus secondly I yesterday I went to in the morning, very early in the morning without proper sleep at all. I went to Jantar Mantar. I protested there. It was an important thing to do, so I went and but the whole day went in like I came back about 3:30. I came in time before the dandas started happening. Like today obviously I was really tired, so in the morning I wanted to go for McDonald's breakfast, which I did, and after the breakfast I had no energy, you know. I kind of rested, plus this neck has been bothering me. So although when I exercise gets a little better, so I wasn't sure if I'll be able to go for workout today also. So I've decided this week at least I'll keep it very light till the neck heals. If it heals, I'm doing dance and swimming. So I did dance and swimming. The schedule was 5. I had booked boxing followed by swimming, but I had no energy to go at 5 for boxing, so I cancelled that. Then I thought the dance session was 6:30, so I thought initially I thought I could either do the dance session 6:30 or the swimming session which I had booked was at 7 o'clock. But then I cancelled the 7 o'clock session. I said let's see. There were 14 waiting in the swimming session at 8. So I wanted to do dance, so I cancelled the 7 o'clock swimming session also. So I did the dance session and I said fine, if the swimming gets confirmed, I'll do it, and if it doesn't get confirmed, I won't do it. It wouldn't have gotten confirmed if it wasn't raining. It was raining. So a lot of people cancelled. The 14 people cancelled. So my waiting got confirmed for 8 o'clock. So 6:30 to 7:20 I danced. Then 8 to 9 I did swimming. And I floated. It was a technique issue. It was not leave your body loose issue. I've been leaving my body loose. It's still an issue, but I'm trying to fix it. But the reason I was not floating is because it's a technique issue. You have to breathe from the mouth and hold the breath inside. So I did that. The guy Ashok today, he taught me to do that, and I did that and I floated. I floated without a float for the first time. I really floated without a float. That's excellent. Okay. That's fucking excellent. I still have neck pain, but I'll exercise before sleeping again. Like last night, obviously I couldn't sleep properly because I had a late dinner or whatever, and after that I slept, and today also I'm having a late dinner. I'm waiting for the audience. The audience hasn't yet come. That's the stage. That's the stage. That's the mic, and I'm waiting to go on stage. Audience hasn't yet come, and because I need to do 40 minutes. Then Ketan has to do 40 minutes. It's just the two of us today. So I'll do like 15-20 minutes of crowd work, followed by I do some jokes. But it's just the two of us. Thankfully, Ketan has taken a spot. Otherwise, I would have to do a solo. I can't. It's my responsibility. When the show goes well. I would have done a solo otherwise, in case Ketan didn't come. But Ketan is coming, so I'll do about 40-45 minutes. I have ordered chicken breast and chicken breast that comes with veggies, and I'm really hungry, so I can have that. I'll get even more hungry. I had an apple before coming here, and by the time I get off stage, I'll be really, really hungry. So that's the plan. Okay, and I will go to the protest again. My mind's there. My mind's not come out of Jantar Mantar. My mind is still in Jantar Mantar. So I will go again. Okay, and try to be happy. Because that's what all of this is about. Fucking happiness. Everything is about happiness. I want you to be happy. Remember, Amar wants you to be happy. Whenever you think about me, this is the thing I want you to think about me, that Amar wants you to be happy. Okay. So I'm going on stage now, and I'll catch you guys. See you. Hey guys, the day review. This is the end of 21st of July. Okay. The day was about 7.5 on 10, which is a pretty good score these days, and the reason it's good is because I rested a bit today because I was so physically exhausted over the last few days. I had some pretty good food through the day. I managed to swim and dance in spite of the pain. So I'm managing the pain, but I managed to swim and dance. I managed to float without a float. It was a technique issue, so I'm happy with that. Something really beautiful happened today, which I can't talk about. It's kind of whatever. But I'm pretty happy. But I can tell you why it happened. The reason it happened because my tattoos are kind of changing me, and sometimes I surprise myself. So my tattoo on my left arm says "Seize the fucking moment." And over the last couple of months, I've done things which I wouldn't have otherwise done if the tattoo wasn't there. So I did something today again, and I surprised myself. I'm so surprised I did that. So the beautiful moment got created because I seized the fucking moment. So I'm happy with that. So 7.5. Although I'm tired, exhausted, physically, mentally, emotionally, whatever right now. But I'm happy that way, right? So I'm happy. 7.5 is a pretty good score. There's a lot of work to do. So I'm happy with the day overall. Alright, so good night. Try to be happy. So.